What is going on, guys? So today we are doing a little bit of an unboxing video today. I know that we did a poll about which video that's going to come out next, and it will be the is the Kawasaki Ninja 650 good for long distances. But I kind of wanted to get this video out real quick because I just got this in the mail and I'm super excited about it. So we'll probably end up dropping 2 videos this week. But before we get into it, there's certain things that you need to get. I think you need to get for motorcycling to be as safe as you can. And I think after you get your gear and that's all squared away, I think some of the next things that people should get, and this is just my opinion, is something like this that we're about to see. And, I do think that it's more important than getting an exhaust system or anything like that, depending on what you're trying to do. Me, I'm touring. I'm starting to do long distances. I have a really long loop that I have coming up. And because of that, it's good to make sure that you are okay mechanically. So, what do we have in the box? Something that will give me peace of mind. I think quite a lot, actually. I've been waiting to get this, been wanting to get this, but it is I will lose that. I've been wanting to get this, but it's kind of expensive for me anyways, so I had to wait. Yes, it is an astronomy jump starter and air compressor. There's several things that you should really take with you probably anytime, but especially if you're going to do long distances. That's something to jumpstart the bike, something to fix a flat tire, and something to adjust your chain, and fuses as well. So I went ahead and I bought this thing here, as well as a tire plug kit. And I'm not going to really open this up. It's got, everything that you would think a tire plug kit would have. Oh, it even has a tire pressure thing. That's awesome. But I do want to open this because I am excited about this. I seen this on Ducati NYC. I seen that he had it and he highly recommended it. It comes in a nice little pouch, actually, that can be easily stored anywhere. I think it says about 2 pounds, so it's not overwhelming in weight. And let's see what we have. So we have the unit, of course. We'll open up this second, actually. Also, it has a nice little diagram. Kind of tells you what everything is, what everything does. Gives you a little how to use it. Instruction manuals. A thank you letter. No, thank you. Appreciate it. And how to charge it. Whoopsies. The jumper cables, the thing for the tires, and charging it, and all that stuff. So that is awesome. Let me go ahead and whoopsies, open this. Now I know that this also has a flashlight, and I should have been a little bit better prepared as far as stats and all that stuff, but I will list the stats here and everything. Does it take batteries? I thought it was... Oh, okay. Very nice. Very nice. Does it have any of the stats back here? So jump start current is 800 amperes. Peak current is 1750 amperes. Output 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, and all that stuff. And We can go by that later. Is it charged? Have any kind of charge? No. It's completely dead. That's okay. We're going to go ahead and charge this because, yeah, I mean, guys, look. Motorcycling is fun. It's also expensive depending on how you do it. But, you know, I think to really do it safely and effectively, and give you peace of mind, too. I know, a couple people commented it on my one trip, and you know, they kind of said that they want to do it too, but they kind of suffer from anxiety, and I get that. My problem is I don't get that anxiety until I'm well into the trip, which is kind of a bad thing. But something like this will definitely help reduce that anxiety. Just knowing, okay, if I do get a flat tire, I have a tire repair kit and I can inflate it. If that battery dies, I have a jump start. You know, it even has a flashlight. So, you know, this is probably going to be a relatively quick video, but I wanted to get this out because I really wanted to show you guys. I put a link in the description. I think this thing and the tire kit, plug kit all together was $137, and that might not be a lot to some people, but some people it might be a lot of money. To me, it was kind of a lot of money, and you know, it's just a really important tool to have. You know, something for the tires, something for the battery, something to adjust your chain, fuses. I mean, and just having an overall basic knowledge of your bike in general is just going to relieve a lot less stress. I mean, there's still there's still a lot of things I want to get for this thing. I really want to do something with baggage and luggage. That's well, one of the big reasons why I'm keeping that ugly fender on there is because I know that you can use that to strap stuff down, or at least help to strap stuff down. I'm pretty sure the things hook on to where the passenger pegs are, but those are expensive. But before I wanted to get that kind of stuff, I needed something like this. I needed peace of mind, and this would work for a cart too. But I needed peace of mind, and whenever you have peace of mind, you can think clearer. When you think clearer, you make better decisions, and it'll just make it an overall better trip and experience, because the whole point of touring on your motorcycle is to enjoy things. You don't want to be worrying in the back of your head. It's healthy to worry. I'm not saying that it's not healthy to worry, but it's nice to be able to know, hey, I have that covered, you know. So if something happens, I have a shot at fixing it, and you know, it is what it is. This is insurance. You know, I spent $137. I might never, ever need this. But if I were to get stranded somewhere and a tow job would cost me $600-700, that's what insurance is. You know what I mean? And that's exactly what this is. But I'm going to get off here. I don't want this video to be particularly long. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you guys this. You know, I can't recommend it yet because I didn't have to use it yet. But I will be testing it out whenever it's charged and all that stuff. But thank you guys so much for watching. And if you found this video, you know, we're kind of doing the whole touring thing, maybe you want to consider subscribing, because we're going to be dropping a video about this big loop that I want to do. I'll go from Pittsburgh to Gettysburg, from Gettysburg to Harrisburg, from Harrisburg another loop around. So we'll just see what happens. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you guys use. If you guys have any other recommendations or any other kind of important tools that you should bring, because yeah, it's just to help everybody out. But I'm gonna jump off here. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.